Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is May 23rd, 2025, and we're diving into Cavco's latest earnings report for the fiscal fourth quarter and full year. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Cavco, a leader in factory-built housing, has just released their earnings, and there's a lot to unpack, from revenue growth to strategic initiatives.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Cavco reported a net revenue of $508 million for the fourth quarter, which is a 21% increase from the previous year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
The significant revenue growth is primarily driven by higher sales volume in their factory-built housing segment. Despite a slight decrease in gross profit margins, the company managed to exceed EPS expectations with an adjusted EPS of $5.40, beating the forecast of $5.23.
That's impressive. How did the gross profit margin fare this quarter?
The gross profit margin was 22.8%, slightly down by 80 basis points from last year. This was due to a lower proportion of homes sold through company-owned stores and a decrease in average selling prices.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Moving on to operational efficiencies, Cavco's net income for the quarter was $36 million. How does this position them for future growth?
Cavco is well positioned for future growth with a backlog of $197 million, up from last year. Additionally, the company has approved a $150 million stock repurchase program, which reflects confidence in their financial health and future prospects.
What are the strategic initiatives that Cavco is focusing on?
They are unifying their manufacturing facilities under the Cavco name, which should streamline operations and enhance brand recognition. This strategic move is expected to leverage their national marketing efforts effectively.
CEO insights and strategic initiatives. CEO Boor mentioned a significant pickup in activity in March. How did this impact their quarterly performance?
Despite harsh weather in February, Cavco maintained production levels, which helped them close the quarter strongly. The unification of their manufacturing facilities under the Cavco brand is a strategic initiative aimed at simplifying the home search process for buyers and leveraging their marketing efforts.
How does this strategic initiative impact their market position?
By consolidating their brand, Cavco is enhancing its market position, making it easier for customers to identify and choose their products, which should drive future sales and profitability.
Key takeaways. In summary, Cavco has delivered a strong performance this quarter with a 21% increase in revenue and an adjusted EPS of $5.40 surpassing expectations. Their strategic initiatives and stock repurchase program highlight a positive outlook. John, any final thoughts?
Cavco's focus on operational efficiencies and strategic branding initiatives positions them well for future growth. Investors should keep an eye on their ability to maintain these growth trajectories.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Cavco's performance in the comments below.